Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for KSBPumps, which has been in the news for its price rise recently under the small cap section. Whatever you are seeing right now is a monthly chart of KSBPumps, and this particular chart is laden with a few technical indicators which help us to do the technical analysis for this particular stock. Okay, and I will list down what all the indicators that I am using here: RSI, MACD, momentum, Darvas, 20 moving and 50 moving average, and super trend and zigzag. Okay. If you look at this chart, I have data here since 2013 onwards, and as I'm seeing here that most of the time this stock has been sleeping, and until 2014 actually there is no movement in the stock. Okay, literally there is no movement, and after 2014 onwards, February 2014 onwards, the stock started its upward journey, and when it comes to the price, and it peaked. Okay, it peaked when that time in 2015. That time it was trading at 774. Okay, and after that recently it peaked. That time it was trading at 838 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Uh, what is the significant trend of this stock which we need to discuss is, like, actually after 2014 the stock started moving sideways. You see, lot of sideways movement. Actually, the stock has become range bound, and it started moving. It started making going sideways, and there is no significant price rise. There is no significant price rise or price decrease in the stock after 2014 until recently. Until recently, there is a small spike. Okay, here that's what I'm saying. Okay, there is a small rise. There is a small rise. So this particular rise, this is what this green color candle is, what we are at right now. Actually, today is October 22nd. Actually, in this is the October candle. People who are interested in long term and who had invested in 2014 definitely might not have made much money here, because the stock is just moving up and down, up and down, up and down, and that is also range bound. And recently they might have made some money here. Okay, they might have seen some money, some profit here. Okay, so this is the history of this chart, the history of this particular stock. Okay, now we will check whether this particular spike in the recent spike in the price will continue, or again the stock will go sideways, or what is the pace of the price rise. All these things we are going to decide. Okay, look at the RSI here. RSI is going to pick up, and this RSI indicates the relative strength of the stock. Okay, but if you see the trend, into the since 2015 onwards, the stock has been like this. It is about to hit the peak. I mean the 80 line, but it didn't. About to hit, but it didn't. About to hit, but it didn't. About to hit, but it is going to, or it won't be. That is the question. But if I am not wrong, I am sure that the trend may continue. That means it may not hit. Okay, now I'll look at the MACD also, and then I will come to the RSI again and then decide. If you look at the MACD, the signal line is on top of the red line, and the signal line is you'll look at the elevated tip of the signal line, which is looking towards the upward direction, and slowly even the gap between the signal line and the red line is also increasing. That's a good sign for the rise in the price. And look at the histogram here, the green color histogram, though the size is small, but still green color thing indicates is in sync with the price rise here, which is good. Okay, so this is what we are seeing here, and look at the these two. I mean, at the moment, this RSI and MACD both. I mean, both, though the MACD is completely in sync with the thing here. We are not, and RSI is also in sync with the price rise here. But we are not seeing. I mean, they are not giving us what do you say, a handle to predict the future of this stock when it comes to the price rise. Okay, look at the momentum. Now coming to the momentum is on top of the baseline, and the momentum is on parallel to the baseline here. That indicates a slight rise is there. If you can see, a slight rise, is there, but it is not up to the mark. But the overall trend is like, it is lying parallel to the this thing, the baseline. So this indicates that this particular stock. I mean, based on my experience, as I've seen this kind of charts so far in my previous this thing also. So based on my experience, I don't think this price will increase at a faster pace. The price of the stock will increase at a faster pace. I don't think. I don't think. So if this is the case, then though the super trend continues, though the RSI is going to hit the peak, though the MACD signal line is on top of the red line, though the histogram makes green bars, but still, I feel like, the stock belongs to that slow to medium pace or slow category actually when it comes to the price rise. So this is my analysis. So I don't think, even if you invest or don't invest, it doesn't make much difference, because there are other fast paced stocks which gives you, so many hundred multiple hundreds, hundred multiples. I mean, in percentage. I mean the profit, like, 200%, 300% kind of profit within in the last. Within a few months. Okay, and so right now, I think you can safely ignore the stock. That's what my analysis is. Okay, guys, then if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.